All right, so our research paper topic is which cause or causes and or country or countries is most responsible for World War One. And this will be due Monday, March 13th before homeroom starts, even if you are absent. And you will turn it in through turnitin.com. And I have attached a video on how to do that, just in case you don't know or you have forgotten. Now, if you click research paper right there, what will come up and be saved in your Google Drive is I have started the paper for you essentially. So I've formatted your title page, so you just replace it with your title, name, period, and date. I've done the page number for you, just need to replace it with your last name. And then I've already set it up for Times New Roman and 12-point font and double space, and I fixed your margins already. The only thing that you'll need to fix on your own is whenever you insert a footnote, it's not going to be in Times New Roman, so you're going to have to change it to Times New Roman. And then also in Google Classroom, I have titled something Paper Resources, where I've put everything that I think might be useful to you as you work on your paper. So all the general formatting issues, what size font should your footnotes be, that kind of stuff. A checklist, so when you think you're done with your paper, you can go down the checklist to see if you've done everything. I have given you a sample bibliography that's annotated, reminding you, for instance, to tab over all the lines after the first one. I have attached a sample paper so you can see what your finished product should look like, including the footnotes and bibliography page. A list of essay don'ts, things not to do in your essays. I also have attached the rubric so you know how I'm going to grade. 45 points of your grade is based on formatting, your footnotes, your bibliography, and the rest of the paper. I've attached a sheet to remind you the difference between a strong and weak thesis. And then I have also attached a sheet where I've found 12 sources that you can use. You need to use at least 2 sources in your paper to back up your theory, and I found 12 of them. I found 12 different sources to help you out. The first few are just regular websites. Then I have some from AVL as well for you to use if you want to. Now, if you use something that's not from AVL or not from my list, I need to see it first to make sure it's a valid source. And then the last 4 websites on the bottom, those are websites that you can use to learn, but you can't cite them. They're not academic enough. They're not good enough, but they can help you out. They can help you get started. Also, I have started to add videos, instructional videos. So I go over the entire sample paper and point out things that I need you to remember. How to do a footnote, how to do your bibliography page, and I'll be adding more and more to these as we go.